Alright guys, welcome to Python basic exercises. Here is a question number 2. Write a function that returns the given input number is odd or even. So here they clearly stated that we need to write a function that has to return the number is whether it is even or odd number. So let's go and define the function here, saying that uh, define, let's say it's even odd function. So we need to expect a parameter because we need to test whether the given parameter is even or odd. So let's go and check with the condition here that if saying that the parameter is percentile 2 is equals to 0, that means any number that you're giving to this as a parameter, if it is the remainder is 0, then that is definitely an even number. So saying that print parameter comma here we can say that is even. Otherwise, definitely if it is not remainder 0, definitely it is an odd number. So saying that print parameter is odd. So let's go and check it that right now. So how do we call a function in the Python instance with the same name, even odd? So let me give the random number saying that 35. So we know it's an odd number. So let's go and run it. Running it, so it says the 35 is an odd number. Let's try to give any other number, sign 55. It's an odd number. Let's say it's a 56. It's an even number. Thank you and see you in the next question.